Verifying your Monster account is an important step to ensure your profile is secure and that you can fully utilize the platform's features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Visit the Monster website. Go to the official Monster website and log into your account using your registered email address and password. Step 2. Access account setting. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Locate verification options. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Account Verification or Security. Click on this option to begin the verification process. Step 4. Choose verification method. You will be presented with several verification methods such as email verification or phone number verification. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to receive a verification code. Step 5. Enter verification code. Check your email or phone for the verification code sent by Monster. Enter this code in the designated field on the website to complete the verification process. After completing these steps, your Monster account should be verified. This will enhance your security and improve your experience on the platform.